with me now. Come with me now. I'm gonna take you down. Come with me.
But most you know me as Striker down at FTW, and this is a hatchling carpet python setup video. Like, this is how I'm going to be setting up my Diamond Python, which is in this for now, because as you can see I've got a pretty small heat mat at the moment. But tomorrow my mum's ordering a 28cm by 28cm, and it's going to go across here to here, so it's like a quarter of the cage. And this is what I've got. This is a little storage tub that me and my dad turned into a little reptile habitat. We just got some old broom, and we turned it into some nice ledges. Got one in the corner there, two there, a little crate where I put it on. My substrate is paper towel. I will be showing you how I set it up when I put Harry in as well. So I'm going to put the paper towel in right now. The reason why I use paper towel is because it's cheap, easy to clean. I would rather use aspirin, I would use aspirin, but none of my local pet stores sell aspirin. They just sell sand or Ego Earth, and I don't really like using, I don't want to use Ego Earth with my carpet python, because I use it for my spotted python, and I just don't want to use it for a snake that goes really high that won't really use it. It won't look as good, because I like my tanks looking awesome. And when I get enough money and when I get a job and all that cool crap, I want to be able to get cool living terrariums. If you haven't seen my channel update, I should tell you what future additions that I want. It's got my paper towel. But second of all, you need a hide. I went to Bunnings and got this pot, and I've cut a hole out for her to sit in it. Of course, it's going on the warm side, right here. And I bought this really long plant, and I'm going to put this across the entire cage. So let's do this. Let's put that in the corner, go up there, and then I'm going to weave it through this, and weave it around again, and then it's going to come back around like that and go around the pot like that, so it's going to be really cool looking. So it's like that. So it's like that. See, it looks cool already, but I want to get some more little plants so I can put on the pot, so I can get rid of that ugly kind of looking pot. And yeah, every day I'd get a mister. I'll just use this, and I'll spray it down every day for her so she can have drinking water. And I'll do it now because I have just this fresh paper towel, so I'll do it now. Trying to get all the paper towel soaking wet, or kind of soaking wet, because she loves drinking. And I've got this little patch there so she can drink. It's like a little cube, so she has that little drinking cube. Yeah, my snake hook just fell off. I use this for her, not for the spotted, because she gets a bit of defensive, not aggressive, defensive over her little container thing. And with carpet pythons, they like to climb. Like, they don't live up in the trees, whatever, but they love to climb. I had her in this a while ago, but I'm going to be using that heat mat just for today because my mum's ordering a big heat mat, like I just said earlier in the video. But they like to climb, so that's why I got the logs, and that's why this tank is so high. I got some breathing holes, goes across. I was hoping later on when my dad comes over again, I want to get holes in. I'll say her name. Her name is Crystal. So I want to get like that. Say Crystal, so I look really cool. Got some holes in this as well. And now I'm going to put her in. Hopefully she doesn't try and bite. She is very defensive. This is what she's in now. She's been dropping some wheeze in there today. She's hissing. Oh, she's done a poo. Oh, didn't even notice it. Oh, I'm going to have to clean that up as soon as I take her out. Okay, I'm going to put the camera down while I get her out because I have to use a snake hook and I can't really get her out with one hand unless I just use the snake hook and that's it. Actually, yeah, I'll put the camera down so I can get her out and put her in a new tank. I'll try and actually get it on an angle so I can get her out. No. Hopefully I just didn't show my face then, but yeah. Anyway, I'll be right back when I can listen. Okay, here she is. She's a beautiful little girl, and she's climbing up my arm now. Let's see if I can get her to come down into her little hide / new thing. Come on. Ugh. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Here she goes. There she goes. Oh, she's just coming out of the tank, okay. Oh no, now she's being a pain. Oh great, oh great, oh great. Come on. Oh, she doesn't even go into the tank. You're supposed to go into the tank, buddy. Oh girl, but here she goes. I'll try and zoom in on her face. No, come on. There you go. She's a beautiful girl. She's only, I think, 5 or nearly 6 months old. She's so long and beautiful. And that's her tank. Sorry for my dog, you can hear my dog barking. But this is a wrap for the diamond / carpet python setup video. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I really do appreciate it. All the comments just makes me, like when I get to reply to people, when people say awesome video, it just feels really good. It makes me feel really, good, and I really do appreciate it. Again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. See you guys.